Boevers is a very special place.
It's mostly where I make friends and how I learn.
It's a really close, caring place.
Family, my home, tons of friends and classmates.
I love the diversity that we have here at our school.
It has unique traditions.
The community and the people here are what I love about Boevers.
I like to make art, and I like to play with my friends, and I like to dance. You guys will listen to music and play games and read books. You get to learn stuff here at Boevers, and it's a really nice school. The teachers here are really nice, and they help you learn a lot of stuff. The teachers let me feel confident.
They come in every day. They care for our students, they care for our families, they care for our community, just as the community cares for us.
Having a sense of community in a school is so important, that our families and our children feel safe and they feel heard.
Boevers was such a special place for me growing up. I went to all of my years of elementary school. Everyone there at Boevers was so supportive of me and of my family. My brother went there too, and it was just a great family experience for all of us.
The staff here, as well as the families and the kids, it just feels like coming home each day.
Boevers is it's not my school, it's not the kids' school, it's our school. And I think a community and that spirit of coming together, we're all stronger together. School's a team sport, and it takes all of us to win the game and achieve those outcomes that we want for our students.
I feel like the staff is like a family, and the kids and the families that go here, and a lot of them have been here for a long time.
And we get to see parents that went here and now their kids go here, and sometimes even grandparents, and it's just really sweet.
It's such an amazing accomplishment for Union to have an elementary school that has been in the Tulsa community for 50 years.
I just love being here. It's a great place.
I like Boevers a lot. It's a really fun school, and you should come.
Congratulations on 50 years, Boevers.
Happy anniversary, Boevers Elementary.
To be able to celebrate all that has been accomplished prior, that we're doing right now, and our future is bright. It's going to be awesome. So I'm super excited for the next 50 years.